Not much movement on any of the teen violence issues in the East Valley, but we do have some drama and ongoing concerns about what is happening with Gilbert police. We should also follow up on what has happened since the Gilbert Council approved a subcommittee to investigate teen violence. My name is Billy Tarasio. I am an Arizona attorney, and now I'm heavily invested and involved in the issues surrounding teen violence and local politics. If that stuff's interesting, then go ahead and follow me. So the front page of Arizona Republic, AZ Central, is a picture of a man who has taken down orange ribbons in the White Wing neighborhood. Let's talk about it. Preston's favorite color was orange. My favorite color is orange. I love that. And part of spreading awareness is encouraging people to wear orange ribbons, use orange light, etc., etc. Well, the community that is involved in this awareness campaign went to the White Wing neighborhood where 4 houses were searched following Preston Lord's death and painted the gated community in orange. The HOA the next day hired someone to take it down. Let's talk about it. I have a little bit of a different perspective on this than the people who went. To me, painting this neighborhood orange is a quite literal FU to the parents and children who are suspected of being involved in Preston Lord's murder and other goony, violent behavior. I understand the anger completely. I understand why there is so much anger and feelings towards these parents and these children who are suspected of being involved and who have not been arrested. But it's not their fault they haven't been arrested. They literally have to wait to see what Maricopa County Attorney's Office does or what the police department does. There's nothing for them to do except lay low. The people who I think are deserving of our ribbons and our attention and our activism are leadership. Robert Englund, the reporter at the Republic who has been reporting on this topic since December 4th, recently pointed out something that has been overlooked, and I don't think it should be overlooked. The teen that was arrested recently and held in juvenile detention and not let out, that I talked about yesterday because he is implicated with the murder, there were videos that Robert Englund saw of him in 3 different assaults. One assault was at In-N-Out in Gilbert, one assault was at the downtown parking garage in Gilbert, and one assault was in Mesa. Mesa police arrested him for the assault, the alleged assault that happened in Mesa. Gilbert PD has done nothing with those 2 other assaults where he's identified and he's on camera. No arrests, no charges. Also, following up on the subcommittee that was created last week, I believe it was last Tuesday, so more than a week ago, that subcommittee has not met, has not come out with any type of scope of work, has not provided any answers, has not called for an investigation as to why arrests are not happening from Gilbert PD, has not made a statement. The only thing they have done is launched a mayoral campaign for one of those members, Jim Anderson. They are worthy of our activism. They are worthy of our ribbon. They are worthy of orange. We should be asking them what they are doing and what is going on. Those adults have been elected or hired to do specific jobs. Those jobs include protecting the public and governing. One of the things that I've decided to do is invite every single local candidate onto my podcast to discuss what's going on locally. And we'll see if they decide to attend my podcast and talk about these things and answer these questions. Because one of the things that keeps ringing out over and over and over again is, Gilbert, where are you? Your silence is deafening. Well, I refuse to be silent about your inaction. And I believe that accountability right now and our efforts and our attention should be on them. less so than the alleged suspects who are simply waiting at home to be arrested. Now, I know that's going to be controversial. I know people are going to feel all sorts of different ways, and I understand nothing is black and white. All of these feelings and all of these perspectives are totally and completely valid. But this is just another one for your consideration.